These are most famous Chinese cooking techniques and recipes, presented in video tutorials using authentic recipes from years of restaurant practice. This course offers a comprehensive guide to mastering some of the most famous and delicious Chinese dishes. You'll learn step by step how to create authentic recipes such as kung pao chicken, mapo tofu, and sweet and sour pork, with detailed instructions on preparation, cooking techniques, and presentation. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook looking to expand your culinary skills, this course will provide you with the knowledge and confidence to recreate restaurant-quality dishes in your own kitchen. If you're interested, please feel free to contact me.